I'm Johnathan. Love when the celly gon' ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, cover my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheep. I get to it up in my seat. Love when the celly gon' ring.
What up, Team Buckhouse? Today we're giving a snowboard away. So we were riding Copper the other day and we ran into this kid who was riding a snowboard that looked like Roman should be riding it. He was throwing down and I was like, yo dude, you got a board? And he was like, no, I don't. Like, we can't afford to get me a new snowboard. I was like, dude, that's not okay. This kid's like almost as big as me. So I was like, yo, I got a board for you. So today we're gonna give this kid a snowboard, which is super exciting. You know, we haven't done something like this yet on the channel, but we got to a point where we've been very blessed. You know, Blank Snowboard sent me a bunch of decks this season, and I was like, wanted to give this one away. So shout out to Blank for giving us a board. Cody threw some bindings into the deal. I slapped some stickers on it. We also got some Khunos and other things to give this kid, and you know, set him up, because I could tell from this looking at him that he really enjoyed snowboarding. But when I talked to his mom, because he was a kid, you know, she's like, yeah, we have 8 kids in the family. Like, money's a little tight. Like, we can't just buy gear all the time. So we're gonna hook this kid up with the whole whip, and I'm so stoked about that. So enough talking. Let's get up to the top of Breck. Let's do some turns, and then when he shows up, we'll make him ride his old board, and then we're gonna give him the fresh board, and it'll be sick. So here we go. You guys get scared? Coming with 2 boards, leaving with 1. So I also have a new deck I'll be trying out today, the Sleepwalker from Solomon Sleepwalker. Yeah, here we go. So I was gonna give him a couple more things. We got the earmuff speakers. I don't ride with music, so I don't need those. Obviously a whole bunch of Evolution stickers. Fresh pair of Khunos. Not my pro models. Obviously I'm not even wearing my pro models right now. I'm still prog testing new goggles for them. But my pro models are sold out because you guys snagged all those. Evolution binding bag. These aren't available yet, but we're working on that. And then a fat beanie, which is linked in the description as well. So got the merch, hooking the kid up. I hope he's gonna be stoked. Alright, pretty big deal if you're gonna leave anything anywhere. Lock it up. Alright, let's go snowboard. Okay. Wonder how flexible it is. It's going way too fast for that. We're gonna go up the T-bar. There's a jump I saw yesterday that I didn't hit. We hit this other massive jump all day. You should check out yesterday's video, but there's another jump that I saw and I was like, yo, that would be sick too. So hopefully it's untouched still and we can hit it and it'll be sick. So to the T-bar.
You wanna go up separate now?
Yeah, let's do separate. Could almost make a how to hit a T-bar video today.
How's it going?
Yeah, because with the T-bar you can do it 2 ways. You can have it behind your butt or between your legs. Both work. I like to rotate what I do so I don't get too sore. So yesterday I did between my legs the whole time, and in between my legs is now sore. So I'm gonna go behind the butt today. Check out Cody's new red pants, by the way. Yeah, Cody be looking good. Almost as good as these views. There's a couple other like smaller booters on the way that are coming up. Just so you know. This being one of them. And this is the other one. Woo! Woo! Snow still feels pretty good.
Yeah, it's surprising.
Nah, so it's right there, next to that short tree.
That was wild.
That was sick. So this new snowboard I'm on is literally like it's a park board. So to be able to do that and ride out, feels good. I just saw this massive jump from up there though. There's another cat track too, so it's like a drop and then a... Whoa, that was sick. Actually wasn't as flat. It's almost like a hip.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's pretty good.
I'm liking this board so far.
So cool.
I feel like because the camera's up and then it like kind of, it's like flat and risen. When I land, it kind of like absorbs it a bit.
Oh, yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
That felt good. All right, the new snowboard is actually feeling pretty sick. Once again, it's the Solomon Sleepwalker. It's a very park-oriented snowboard, but with the late season, we're gonna be ripping a lot of parks at Hood and everything. So I wanted something, you know, a little more jibby. It's not like the stiffest snowboard out there, and so I'm hyped on it so far. Truly like one run in, and was able to land that little jump and then hit that other jump. Yeah, I'm feeling good. Feeling almost as good as today's sticker shout out. We got C with the Roman sticker on the computer. Looking insane, man. Thank you for snagging a Roman sticker. That supports his college fund, guys. That sticker and the Wiggle Wiggle sticker. I didn't want to make any money off my kids, so any of those stickers goes to his college fund, so thank you. As well as we got Corn with the digital camo sticker on the snowboard. Also looking insane, man. Thank you so much, guys, for snagging the Evolution sticker. If you want an Evolution sticker and you're a skier, we do have ski versions of the Evolution sticker, but the snowboarder and the skier, they're all linked in the description, as well as with many colors, orange, blue, any color you can think of. We have it in the stickers for you guys, as well as the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, the windbreaker. It's warm. It's really warm. I'm so happy we're rocking a windbreaker and not a jacket today. So you guys snagging the merch supports the dream. It's how we're going to go on that 2.5 month long journey to California, then to Oregon, to continue snowboarding late into the summer, early in the summer, late into the winter, to continue snowboarding until mid-July for you guys, to keep bringing you guys daily snowboard content. So thank you so much for snagging the merch. Tag me on my Instagram if you do, so I can give you guys gear and sticker shout outs in the vlogs like I just did with those guys. But also, I'm like going faster than the T-bar right now. But also for bonus extra content, that's where we post that stuff, especially with the trip and everything that we're going to be doing. You're going to want to check it out. All right, this is becoming more and more difficult, so I'm going to put you guys away. We're going to send it, and then River should be, that's the kid that we're giving snowboard to, should be at the bottom. I'm going to hook him up, and I hope he's stoked. I just got off the phone to River. He's down by the gondola, so let's rip this run and get to him. Bird! Look at this thing! What's the bird doing? Bird! Let's go! Get it! What up, River? How we doing?
Good.
Who's this?
I'm Max. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Max. Heck yeah.
Friend.
Is this your mom?
Yep.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Heck yeah.
So kind.
Who's
this?
this?
Taylor.
Taylor, what's up? Number 7.
Say hi, bud.
What's up, dude? I like your jacket.
What's up?
Real quick, do I have permission to film River today and put him in my video?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. All right, River, where's your old snowboard?
Where'd it go?
Can I put a mic on you?
Sure.
Are you cool being in the video?
Yeah.
Cool.
Sick.
All right, so this is the deck we saw River rocking. Put this up like next to you real quick. First off, obviously snowboard sizes are not based on your height, but that's a clear sign that's a pretty small snowboard and not the... We want you on a board that rips. It looks like you've been ripping this one too.
Yeah, I filled it in with peck.
Yeah, you did. So what I would love to do, also check out these bindings. 2 different ones, or 6 different bindings going on in here. All right, River, so I'm gonna make you do one last goodbye run with this snowboard. Are you cool with that?
Yeah, for sure.
All right, and we're gonna film you a little bit. All right, so let's go do a run.
Yeah, that's true, but I like the wind. Bro, I can't believe I'm gonna live with Johnathan Buckhouse.
Of course, man. So, how long have you had that snowboard? What's the story behind it?
Okay, so I had a 130 at the start of the year, yeah?
Okay.
I saw this big hunk of snow and I was like, sick, this is gonna be awesome. I'm gonna do tame dog. And I went for it and it was a rock covered in snow and I snapped the front of my board.
Oh.
Like literally the rails broke.
Oh, okay. So you had to go back to your old deck.
Yeah, so.
All right. Well, we're gonna handle that for you today.
Sweet.
Absolutely ripping on the teeny board.
Thanks.
Goes to show you, snowboard doesn't matter too much. You know, it's all in the soul. But I stay here, River.
Okay, I like it. Oh my gosh.
All right, dude. So it's a 153 because you're almost as big as me and you're 14.
That is insane.
So you're gonna grow into this thing. We got you a fresh pair of binders too. They're old bindings, but they're gonna, you know, good fit your feet. So that's that Blank snowboard by Blank Boards. We threw some stickers on there for you, so you're kitted up. I also grabbed a pair of Khunos for you. My goggle sponsor. Well, obviously we gotta get you some stickers.
Bro.
Hook up the family.
Nice.
Don't want to give it to mom, so don't get going back in there.
Oh,
That's your
those
pair
are insane.
of Khuno optics.
That is sick.
You don't. Oh, you do have the earmuffs. I don't know if you listen with music, but here's some headphone speakers for your
Holy
head.
moly.
The binder bag, so this goes on your high back.
Hey, Johnson, right?
Yeah, what's up, man?
What's up?
What's up? What's your name?
Videos, man. My name's Leo.
Leo, nice to meet you, dude. Heck yeah, dude.
I saw you passed me on with this. I saw the evolution sticker.
Oh, let's go. Heck yeah, we'll be doing another lap in a second. So
cool, man.
I'm just hooking this kid up with some swag,
insane.
and of course the beanie.
Sweet.
So
Thank you so much,
we'll
man.
make sure we pass it off to mom so you can keep ripping.
That's
But
awesome.
yeah, I just wanted to, you know, set you up for. I could see you love snowboarding, and I want you to have the stuff to
Thank
rip.
you so much.
Yeah, and that's a board that, like you said, you like to fly. That's a board that will take you in the.
Yeah, and it's nice and it's got good rocker too.
Yeah, so it's a hybrid camber board, but it's pretty stiff, so it'll pop good.
It'll pop good.
You get those stickers, I'll throw them in here, so you don't. They'll fly out your pocket, and you'll be stickerless.
That's not good. That would not be good at all.
Cool. You want to go toss all that to mom?
Bro, thank you so much.
Yeah, dude, no problem.
That's so sweet. Okay, let's see if my mom's.
Dude, seeing how stoked that kid was
And
worth
I got
it
goggles.
entirely. Once again, thank you to all the brands and stuff that send me gear. Allow
And
me to just
headphones.
give it to a kid
And
like that.
this goes
kid
on
in
the back
need. He has
of the binding?
There's 7 of them, you know, like money's tight. They said
beanie.
that would help. Like he was like
And
that helped out
stickers
so
in the
much. Like he was telling, he told us about his snowboard. You know, so he had to go back to his old one because he broke
Oh, he
it.
just
so.
had an extra one.
Stoked. So let's see him rip the new one, and then we're out of here. We're gonna go
He had it
snowboarding
hidden
with
over there.
How's it feel so far?
Looks great. It feels great.
Feels like you're probably gonna grow like 2 more feet. So
Probably.
you should be able to ride that for a couple years if needed.
So cool.
River. Whoop. Let's stop by mom real quick.
It's insane. It's like so much faster.
Is it faster?
Yeah.
You went really fast that run.
Thanks.
How'd you like it?
Good.
It rips?
It's awesome.
And totally. And like I said, it's a 153, so it might be a little big for you now, but you'll grow into it.
Okay.
So heck yeah, dude.
Thank you
Enjoy
so
it.
much.
I'll see you at Copper.
Yeah, sounds
And once again, shout out to my sponsors. Blank Snowboards just sent me the board, so Blank Boards, thank you so much. Bird Box binding bags, you know, Khuno optics, all you guys, Team Buckhouse. You know, that's how I can hook this dude up with a deck.
Thank you so much, guys.
Yeah, man, you deserve it. Keep ripping hard, and let's get a quick picture real quick.
Okay. Thank you so much,
Nah,
man.
dude. All right, let me get that mic back, though.
Okay, yeah.
All right, Team Buckhouse. All right, Team Buckhouse. And with that, as always, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow with another video because it is daily on this channel.
Thank you.
Yeah, dude.